Now that you've created your website for Tech 7, you do need to add some additional pages. The list of the pages that you need can be found on my website, so make sure you check there for what those are and also how to spell some of these pages. To add a page is very simple. Up in the upper right hand corner we have several buttons across the top. The first button, if we hover over it with our mouse, it says Edit Page, and you're going to be using that quite a bit on these websites. The next one is the New Page button, which we'll explore in just a minute. The third button over says More, and there's quite a few options to go through here, some that we may explore. And the last button is the Share button, which you've already used because you shared your website with me. Click on the New Page button to add a new page, and a new window will pop up. The name of this page we'll call Frames. Down below it, where the web page is in the pull-down menu, we need to select that and change it to File Cabinet Page. If you forget to do this, I'll show you later on how to change that. But for now, Frames, File Cabinet Page, that's all we need to do. Hit the Create button, and you'll see that that new page appears. Make sure when you add your next page, you're always on the home page to add new pages. What happens sometimes is you're on a different page from your home page, you add a new page, and then that page becomes a sub-page of the page you're currently on. So please make sure that you're always on the home page to create new pages. After you've added all the required pages to your website, you do need to go back through and check for things such as spelling, that you have a welcome message on the home page, and that all your pages are there. You also need to check to make sure that all pages have been changed to File Cabinet Pages. So what you'll look for is that the Add File, Add Link, Move To buttons are present on each of the pages. So as you go through these pages, I see that my Frames does have that, but the SketchUp page that I created does not have it. It's not a File Cabinet page. All we have down at the bottom is an Add File link. It's very easy to change it. Up in the upper right hand corner, click on the More, Page Settings option. Down at the bottom where it says Currently Using Page Template, it has been selected for Web Page. We need to change that. In the pull down menu, select File Cabinet, Change, and the pages will have the buttons that we're looking for, the Add File, Add Link, and so on. So again, make sure you go through all of your pages that you've created, check spelling, check that all pages are there, have a nice welcome message, and that all pages are File Cabinet pages.